Hey, I'm gonna do a really fun summer halo eye tonight, so I hope you guys like it. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is Amethyst ShadowSense. This is purple. It's really, really fun. So I am going to put this color on my entire lid. Right up into my crease. And all along my lash line. Now I'm also going to take this color and put it along my lower lash line. The next color I'm going to use is Copper Rose Shimmer. I am just going to put it on the center of my eye, so I'm going to do it in line with my iris pupil area. And I'm just going to tap it on because I do want it to be a little more pigmented and I don't want it quite blended out. Okay, next up I'm going to add a little more sparkle with the Rose Gold Shimmer ShadowSense, doing the exact same thing I did with the copper, but just right in the middle. And you could also put just a tiny bit right below right in line. To finish off this look, I am going to highlight with Sandstone Pearl Shimmer and a big fluffy blending brush. Just right up here. And a little more concentrated in the corner of my eye. I'm going to add some lashes. I get my lashes from Lashes Everlasting. If you go to her website and use the code AURORABOREALIPS, you will get 10% off. So this is the lash style Topaz. I use Duo Glue. It is my favorite glue, and this is in the dark. So I just put a little bit on a Q-tip, and I'm just going to lightly put it on my lash. I'm gonna wait about 20 to 30 seconds for it to get a little bit tacky. It's just gonna be a lot easier to place on your eye and it's not gonna slide all over the place. Okay, so when you're ready to put your lash on, you're just going to line it up. And then you just squeeze it together. And there you go. There is your summer fun halo eye. Love it!